In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your orders on Amazon. Whether you're tracking a recent purchase, checking on past transactions, or simply reviewing your shopping history, knowing how to access your orders on Amazon is a useful skill that can save you time and hassle. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Amazon's website. Once there, you'll want to sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. This step is crucial because you'll need to access your personal account to view your order history. Look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right of the page, and enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're signed in, bring your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice the Account and Lists section. You can either hover over this area with your mouse or click on it. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Your Orders. Sometimes it may be displayed as Returns and Orders, depending on Amazon's layout at any given time. This will direct you to the Your Orders page, where you can see a comprehensive list of all your recent purchases. This page is your central hub for tracking and managing your orders. Now, you might have a specific order in mind or simply want to explore your entire order history. To filter your orders by date, take a look at the options available, such as past 3 months or even by specific years like 2024. This feature is particularly handy if you need to locate an order from a specific time frame. If you're searching for a particular purchase, use the search box labeled Search All Orders. Here, you can type in details such as the product name, order number, or other relevant information. This function is incredibly useful for pinpointing a specific order without having to scroll through multiple pages. Once you've found the order you're interested in, you can click on Order Details or a similarly labeled option. This will provide you with more detailed information about the purchase, including the shipping details, the invoice, and any tracking information available. This can be especially helpful if you're checking on the status of a delivery or need to reference your purchase for returns or customer service inquiries. And there you have it. Viewing your orders on Amazon is a simple process once you know where to look. Keeping track of your purchases has never been easier, and mastering this process can enhance your online shopping experience immensely. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for all your future Amazon shopping endeavors.